Right, today's job I'm busy on with Oscar's roof. I started the morning off by identifying all the dints on Oscar's roof. There was dints everywhere. When the paint was on, I had them all circled. I'll show you a picture of that. But I've managed to bring them all back up a little better now. I mean, there's a little dint there. I think that needs to go down. But yeah, there was so many dints. I think there was about 20 in total. 20 dints all over this roof. So the best course of action was to tap them up, get them level as I could. And then since about 1 o'clock this afternoon, I started sanding it down. I've had a couple of hours off. I've been out, done some other bits and pieces, but I've come back now. It's 7:30 at night. That's what I've got left to take off. We did have a bounce in the roof down here because there was a big dint there. It was about that big, something like that there. So I've tapped that one out and the bounce is gone. So that's a positive note. There was a few heavy dints here. They've all seemed to come out. So once I get the rest of the paint off, I'll just give it another going over. Light tap with the hammer underneath, just to bring them up overs, not all the way, I mean, there's a little ridge there, so I'll have to tap that down. And then I'm hopefully going to clean it with some panel wipe and then fill it. I'm just going to fill the entire panel, get it nice and flat, hopefully, and then use a flat board to sand it down and then etch primer back up and see what it looks like. Right, I'll get the timer going, see how long that little bit takes to finish up. Wish us luck. Oscar's last bit of red paint. Thank the Lord I've got one of these attached to the Hoover. Cracking bit of kit, the Merker DA. Brilliant. Right, just got that lot to take off now. I've just had a visit from the Fragmented creative director. She's given us a right telling off because I didn't finish the videos off about the roof. So I'll show you what we've got to. Basically, the roof has just got sanded down and then it's going to be left for the body shop guy. Andy's going to pick that up, hopefully. Busy day today. We've done a lot down the side, so did a bit of body work. And then today I've been concentrating on rebuilding the subframe so we can put it onto the car and get the wheels on and just load it onto the trailer a lot easier. Check that out. Brand new Heritage bonnet, because the original one was just scrap. I'll see if I can find it. There's the original one. Far too much rust. Look at all the rust. So bin that. So yeah, Oscar goes away to the spray shop on Tuesday night, and something big comes back. Well, not big, just something's coming. I just won't tell you what. But if you like and subscribe and check us out on all of our other social medias, you'll eventually find out what's going to replace Oscar for the next couple of weeks. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.